Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can check to see if your version of Windows 11 is activated. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. Let's look at the activation status. Open Windows Settings. Look for Activation. If you see active in green, your version of Windows 11 is activated. We can also try the SLMGR command. Open the command prompt as an administrator and type in SLMGR /XPR and hit enter. You should receive a message that the machine is permanently activated if your copy of Windows 11 is active. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.